Here are the top 7 most common AC issues. The number 1 spot goes to the capacitor. This is the part that goes out the most frequently. It's like a battery for the system, and it's got a rating on it that gives us a tolerance. Once it goes out of that tolerance, not only the parts work harder, but this can go out, usually goes out during the hottest parts of the months. So this takes the number 1 spot. Number 2, we're looking at a dirty condenser. And what happens is grass clippings, dirt, debris clog up that condenser. What it does is it all around it sucks the air in and pushes it out. So it's constantly sucking in a whole lot of other things, including grass clippings, dirt. So it should be washed twice a year, at bare minimum once a year. That's going to make sure that there's no airflow restrictions at the condenser, which is only going to help your home cool better. Coming at number 3, we're looking at a refrigerant leak. Now the system is it's a closed refrigerant loop. The only time refrigerant is low is if it's leaking out somewhere. So a professional technician will get his gauges, hook up to the condenser, check the pressures, and if it's low, he'll then determine to do a leak search. He'll probably use a leak detector, find the leak, and get it repaired for you, depending on where it is. Now, it can leak at the condenser, the evaporator coil, at the connections, or even the line set itself. Coming at number 4, it's going to be a failed contactor. This is what turns on that condenser outside. Power goes in, thermostat calls, this closes, power goes out, and now your condenser's on. So this is clicking constantly. And at number 5, we got a fan motor that goes bad. Fan motor, if you go to your outside unit, you'll see it spinning. That'll be your fan motor. It'll overheat, especially if that condenser is dirty. It's working extra hard, trying to suck all that air around it and up. So we'll see that overheat a lot of times. Number 6, you're looking at a dirty filter. Now this one can easily be avoided, but I know we all forget sometimes. But it's very crucial that you change your filter. If it's depleted, the skinny ones, the 1 inch, you want to change that every 2 to 3 months. If you have the whole home media filters up in the attic, those, if it's Honeywell, you want to do every 6 months. If it's April Air, then it can last up to a year, depending on how that, what you got in the house. If you have pets, kids, if you're doing extra construction work, you want to do it every 6 months. Number 7, we're looking at a failed circuit board. This is what a circuit board would look like. And all that is like at the motherboard. It's the brains of the whole HVAC system. It's what tells the heater to come on. It's what tells the condenser to come on. So that's very liable to surges. We'll see that affecting the circuit boards a lot of the times. So that takes a number 7 spot on the most common issue when it comes to AC. Now, these are the most common AC issues. However, the AC system has many moving components, parts working together to give you the air that you want. So these are not the only issues that could possibly go wrong. We always do advise having a professional come out there so that they can diagnose it properly the first time and they can get you up and running. If you're in the Houston area, we would love to earn your business. Give us a call. But good luck with your project, and we'll see you on the next one.